Good morning. Today I give you some word meanings. I give you chapter 11, some word meanings, question answer, reference to context and others words. And in the previous day I have already explained chapter 11 and today I give you word meanings and others. So now I give you some word meanings. Chapter 11, The Boy Who Loved Music part 3. Word meanings: surprised, meaning astonished. Number 2, sternly, strictly. Number 3, rash, careless. Number 4, taken aback, perplexed, confused. Buried, put in the ground and covered with earth. Okay, these are the word meanings of chapter 11. Now I start question answer. Answer the following questions. 2a. While leaving the chapel, what remark did the Duke make about the playing of the organ? While leaving the chapel, the Duke heard the soft notes of the organ that came through the quiet air. Then he remarked that the master of the organ played nobly that day. Number B, 2B. How did the Duke show his surprise when he saw who was playing the organ? The Duke saw that a little boy was playing the organ very sweetly. Then he was surprised and asked who that little boy was. C. What order did the Duke give to his servant regarding the boy? The Duke ordered his servant to bring Dr. Handel and his son into the room that afternoon. D. What did Duke Handel beg of the Duke to forgive the boy's behavior? Dr. Handel thought that the Duke was angry with his son because he was playing the organ before him, so he begged of the Duke to forgive his son's foolish behavior. E. How did the Duke show his great appreciation of the boy's talent? Answer. The Duke told Dr. Handel he was pleased to his son as he was playing the organ so sweetly. So he said to Dr. Handel that he would scold him for scolding his son. He wanted to give him a great favor for his son. In this way, the Duke showed his great appreciation of the boy's talent. F. What favor did the Duke ask Dr. Handel and what was the reply he received? Answer. The Duke asked Dr. Handel to leave his son George with him to be trained in music under the best teachers of music. Dr. Handel did not appreciate the Duke's favor. He replied that he would not leave his son there. Instead of it, he would take him home and work at his books. G. What did Dr. Handel not accept the Duke's suggestion of sending the boy to school in his own town? Answer. Then the Duke ordered Dr. Handel to send his son to a great master in his own town. Dr. Handel did not accept the Duke's suggestion because, according to his opinion, music was nothing but a waste of time. Okay. Extra question answer I will give you in the previous class, but I also repeat it here. Number 1. After this, what did the Duke order to Dr. Handel? When Dr. Handel did not accept his suggestion, he commanded him to have the boy trained in music. 2. What did George feel after the Duke's comment? After hearing the Duke's comment, George felt very happy. 3. What did the Duke give George? When they left the castle, the Duke gave George a handful of golden coins and told him to pay that for his first lesson in music. Number 4. What a proud day it was for him. Why it was called a proud day? It was called a proud day because on that day he was called to play before the Queen at the royal court in Berlin. I. How did he spend the rest of his life? He spent the rest of his life with writing music, which had made his name famous for all time. I repeat it again. How did he spend the rest of his life? He spent the rest of his life with writing music, which had made his name famous for all time. Okay, 6. What happened at the end of his life? Near the end of his life, he became blind. In spite of that, he could not give up writing music. Found someone to write it down for him. When he breathed his last, he was buried in Westminster Abbey in London among the greatest people of land. Greatest people of the land. Okay, now I give you some word practice. That is 2a. Give the opposite words. I give you some word which is the opposite. I tell you. Doubt, certainly, or trust. Number 2. Leaf. Opposite word arrive. Number 3. Soft. Opposite word hard. Number 4. Sweetly. Opposite word bitterly or horribly. Number 5, trained, opposite of untrained or unskilled. Okay, now I came to the reference to context. Number 1, quoted lines. Our master of the organ plays nobly today. A. Who said this and to whom? The Duke said this to his attendants. B. From which story is this extract taken? This extract is taken from the story The Boy Who Loved Music, Part 3. C. Why did he remark this? When the Duke with his attendants left the chapel, they heard the soft tones of music that came through the quiet air. He was very pleased with it, and then he remarked this. 2. Question number 2. Quoted lines. Upon my word, 'tis a child who plays so sweetly. A. Name the story from where this line is taken. Answer. This line is taken from the story The Boy Who Loved Music, Part 3. B. Who asked this and to whom? The Duke asked this to his attendants. C. When did he ask this? When he saw that a child was playing the organ so sweetly, he asked this. D. Why did he exclaim? He did not know the little boy, but he was playing the organ so sweetly that he was exclaimed and asked who the little boy was. Question number 3. Then, my dear doctor, I shall have to scold you for scolding the boy. A. Who said this and to whom? The Duke said this to Dr. Handel. B. What do you mean by the words you and the boy here? The words you and boy, what do you mean? Here, you means Dr. Handel and the boy is referred to George Frederick Handel. C. Why did the Duke scold the Duke? Dr. Handel scolded his son George for playing music in Duke's chapel. The Duke realized that George had a great talent in music, so he scolded Dr. Handel. Question number 4. Then I beg of you to send him to a good master in your own town. Quoted lines. From which story is this extract taken? This extract is taken from the story The Boy Who Loved Music, Part 3. Who said this and to whom? Answer. The Duke said this to Dr. Handel. C. Why did he ask him to send George to a good master in his town? The Duke pleased to hear the music of George, so he wished to train him with a good master. So he begged Dr. Handel to send him to a good master in his own town. Okay. This is the question answers, word meanings, reference to context, oppositor, etc. etc. I give you all these. Now I show you the pages. Now I complete chapter 11. I again repeat chapter 11, question answers, word meanings and etc. all exercises, and you learn it wholeheartedly at home. And next day I repeat another chapter, chapter 13. Suppose chapter 13. So today, and you write each and every line, and you also learn word meanings, opposite words, and etc. and etc. Okay, thank you.